sounds like something I do. Calling in sick when the fish are biting, taking those curves with the gravel flying, keeping one eye on the next horizon, sounds like something I do. I never had a reason, girl, to go around looking for a fire to walk through. It ain't like me to want somebody rearranging all my want-tos. I ain't the kind to settle down and let myself get wrapped around somebody's finger, but if I had you, baby, sounds like something I do. Truck, get it pushing 80, picking you up, and later maybe getting one kiss and going half crazy. Sounds like something I do. I never had a reason, girl, to go around looking for a fire to walk through. It ain't like me to want somebody rearranging all my want-tos. I ain't the kind to settle down and let myself get wrapped around somebody's finger, but if I had you, sounds like something I do. Yeah! I ain't the kind to settle down and let my heart get wrapped around somebody's finger, but if I had you, baby, sounds like something, baby. Oh, it sounds like something, baby. Sounds like something I do.
Hello, my name is Lucia Clementi, and this is my new dance called Sounds Like Something. It's a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance. The song is called Sounds Like Something I Do by Drake Milligan and his band. And in this dance there are 2 tags and 2 restarts. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to do a walkthrough. Section 1, starting with the weight on our left. I call this step a drunken sailor. Rock right, recover, behind, rock left, recover, behind, side, together. With the counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, Monterey turns. Point your right foot out to the right side, bring it back together and make a quarter turn. And then left out and bring the left together. We're going to do the same thing again. Right out, together with a quarter turn, left out, together. And with the counts, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, section 3, we have a rocking chair with a jazz box. So you're going to rock forward on your right, recover on your left, bring your right foot back, and recover on your left. Next, we're going to do a jazz box. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step back on our left, make a quarter turn to the right, and bring our feet together. Now, those steps with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. This is going to be half turn pivots. So we're going to step our right toe out to the front and drop our heel. We're going to make a half turn pivot now. And we're going to do the same thing with our left foot. So put your toe out with the left, drop your heel, step forward with our right, and make a half turn pivot. And now we're facing 9 o'clock. So let's do that with the counts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you restart the dance again. There are 2 4-count tags at the end of wall 2 and wall 6. The one at wall 2 is facing 6 o'clock, and the one on wall 6 is facing 3 o'clock. And it's a very simple V-step. So it's out, out, in, in. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there are 2 restarts. The first one is on wall 5, facing 6 o'clock. And you're going to dance 16 counts and restart the dance. The second restart is on wall 9, facing 6 o'clock after dancing 24 counts. That's the dance. It's called Sounds Like Something. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching.